This warp factor is going to explain the scope and use of both application and agent keys in WarpStream. Both application and agent keys are managed under API keys here in the control panel. An application key grants programmatic access to any resource in your account that is exposed via WarpStream's public API. All API requests should be issued as POST requests with JSON payloads. The documentation covering this is linked in the description. Creating an API key is simply a matter of giving it a name. Give it something meaningful for easy reference. You can retrieve the key value by clicking on it here in the dashboard to make it visible. Agent keys are different. You'll need at least one of them to talk to a virtual cluster, but you can have more than one. Agent keys can be fully managed globally from the dashboard here. When you create one, you will be prompted for the virtual cluster to associate with the agent key. Back at the dashboard level, we see that our QA cluster now has two agent keys associated with it, QA Bob and then the default key that was created when I built the cluster. Let's look at another way to create an agent key. Here in our cluster overview, we see that BYOC clusters also have an option for agent keys. Now our list of agent keys is limited to what is defined for this virtual cluster. If we create one at this level, it will be for this cluster and you won't have an option to select a different one. As a quick reminder, application keys are used to authenticate requests with WarpStream's public API. Agent keys are used to authenticate each of your agents with a specific BYOC virtual cluster. And we're done! We learned about application and agent keys, how to manage them, and what their differences are. Visit our website to learn more and try it for yourself.